Hello everybody, today is my first video with a voice. I'm sorry for my English, it's not my mother language, but I will try my best. So here we have a beautiful pocket watch from early of 20th century. It's, as you can see, it's decorated with beautiful animals, all with a guilloched background. So it's truly in Geneva spirit. Geneva region was always known by its high quality animals. So it's made with an attention to the details. You can see even the bow and the pendant are, and the rim for sure, are equally decorated with animals. So, the dial is also very nice, so it's equally guilloched and it plays with different aspects under the light. Nice effect. So, as I already said, it's production of Haas Neveux company. It's not very famous company, but a quality one. It was established back in the middle of 19th century, and it holds several records for the world thinnest watches back in late 19th century. The company was always also make chronometers and supply them to the Observatoire of Genève for competitions. So actually it's a quality production. So let us see what is inside. So the case, the back cover is separate one, and the movement is very thin, it's few millimeters only, and as you can see it's quality finished with Geneva stripes that plays under the light. But despite of its thinness, escapement is fully gelled, and it's also jeweled till the center wheel, and the movement also bears two Geneva hallmarks. So it's here and here. So today Geneva hallmarks, Geneva seals more precisely, are widely used, but back in early 20th century it wasn't so. While Geneva seal was established in 1887, according to the books, maybe few hundreds of the movements was certified by Geneva seal back in early 20th century, so it's a fraction of total production. And it seems that Haas Neveux was one of the company that used it mostly. So returning to Geneva seal, it was practically abundant to use it in the 1920s, with its renaissance in late of 20th century, in 90s. Voila. Thank you for your attention.